manual detailed explanation. Grinding training session. Ball mill dynamics. Grinding. Course 1. Brief about mill compartment. The first compartment, lined with lifter plates, is for coarse grinding and therefore has a charge of large balls. The second compartment has a classifying plate lining, and a charge of smaller balls for fine grinding. Adjustable lifter scoops in the intermediate diaphragm ensure an optimum flow of material, from the first compartment into the second compartment. Watch this video that shows the tube mill, ball mill. Watch this video that shows the components of the mill from the inside.